pioneering collaboration with local government employment office to develop comprehensive and sustainable formal employment support for persons with visual impairment in Indonesia. Inclusive employment is not a slogan or just a dream. We can make it happen. As mandated by Article 55 of Law on Persons with Disabilities in Indonesia, local government employment offices have important role in the development of inclusive employment by establishing disability service unit in employment sector. As organization having the expert on the employment of persons with visual impairment, Mitra Netra has been developing program on job diversification for persons with visual impairment. This program has been contributing in the development of inclusive employment system in Indonesia. Through this program, more job opportunities have been opened for persons with visual impairment. Telemarketer, customer service with the usage of social media, programmer, software tester, content writer, call center staff, and administrative works for offices or companies. However, Mitra Netra learned that the local government employment officers and the disability service unit team have not yet had the understanding that persons with visual impairment could work in formal employment inclusively. To cope with this situation, with the support of Employment Project in 2025, Mitra Netra had conducted focus group discussion in 4 cities: Jakarta, Tangerang, Yogyakarta, and Bandung. Those are cities where we have more university students and university graduates with visual impairment, who might become target of Disability Service Unit Employment Program. Important speakers were invited to present at the focus group discussion. First, the head of the local government employment offices was invited to present the local government employment offices programs and employment of persons with disabilities. Second, Mitra Netra Employment Program Manager was assigned to present Mitra Netra program on job diversification for persons with visual impairment in Indonesia, which had been developing for 25 years and its role in the development of inclusive employment in Indonesia. From the presentations of 4 speakers represented local government employment offices in the 4 focus group discussion, Mitra Netra noted that they still only work for persons with physical disability and the deaf, but not yet work for persons with visual impairment. All job placement data they showed only covered persons with physical disability and the deaf. We concluded that this because they have not yet understood that person with visual impairment could work in formal employment inclusively. Participants invited at the focus group discussions were stakeholders related with employment of persons with disabilities, Disability Service Unit team, representatives of job training body under the local government employment offices, employment supervisors, representatives of university in the city that had more students with visual impairment, representatives of special schools for students with visual impairment, associations of persons with visual impairment in the cities, representatives of employers who had employees with visual impairment. They were invited to share testimony in employing persons with visual impairment. This testimony was expected to help Mitra Netra in convincing the local government employment officers that persons with visual impairment had the capacity to work in formal employment inclusively.
Focus group discussions Mitra Netra conducted in collaboration with local government employment offices are one important step to initiate future collaboration with the government in the development of more inclusive employment system in Indonesia. Government program on employment of persons with disabilities should cover all groups, including persons with visual impairment. Through this collaboration, Mitra Netra expect to have more employed university graduates with visual impairment in Indonesia.